everybody, today is another day and we are right here in the kitchen. We are going to make
a cake.
Yeah, but before we start, if you are new to Isioma'S TV's channel, don't forget to hit the red bell to like, comment and share, and don't forget to knock the bell so you get notified whenever new video are
coming.
Yeah, so okay, today we'll be making vanilla cake. Here I have my 1 cup of sugar. This is the cup. As you can see, I use it in measuring. It comes with different sizes, but I have 1 cup of sugar. I have 5 eggs, my baking powder, my vanilla, because I'll be making vanilla cake, so I need vanilla flavor. I'll make use of my yogurt, my natural yogurt, which is low fat, honey, and I have 2 cups of flour, and I have 1 cup of oil. So I will start by mixing up my egg and my sugar together. Our egg has been cracked in the bowl, and Abby is going to pour the sugar now. Then we start with our mixing up. We'll continue mixing until we get that white flavor, something like the cloud. It's going to be something like as if we are getting the color of the cloud. So that is how we continue mixing until when we get that. So Abby is mixing now. So she'll continue mixing. We'll continue mixing together until the sugar gets well dissolved. The sugar needs to be well dissolved, and we get that white color that we need. Okay, so while my daughter is still mixing the egg and the sugar together, I will be preparing my baking pan with my oven paper, and I want to show you how to do it, just for me to get the measurement of the baking pan. So I will measure it this way. I'm going to measure it this way.
Purchase your tracks today.
So this is the measurement I need. I'm going to put in. So this is where our mixture is going to go in. Then I'm going to brush with oil so that it will stick. I'm going to
purchase your tracks today.
This is it, guys. After mixing, my mixture will go in there. So meanwhile, I will be heating my oven in 250 degree. Yeah. So the oven will be heating while our mixture is still taking place. Yeah. So at this point, you can see she tried. Yeah. So just mix a little. So at this point, so our egg and sugar has been well mixed. You can see that foam coming out of it shows you that it is well mixed. So I'm going to get my one spoon of yogurt. This is natural yogurt. Yeah. Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Depends on the quantity you are mixing. So you can add your own quantity of vanilla you want or your own ingredients you want. Depends on the amount of flour you want to use. I keep on mixing. I'm going to add my flour to it. I'm going to add my flour to it, so I'm going to filter it. Okay, now I'm adding my baking powder. I got this from Lady Supermarket. It's very good. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll stir together.
Purchase your tracks today.
I keep on mixing. Keep on mixing until it is well mixed and is well thick.
Purchase your tracks today.
If you feel it's not well thick according to your taste, you can add a little bit of flour just the way I'm doing. See, I add some more flour to it so I can have that thickness.
I wanna come for you.
Keep mixing.
I know you've been wrong. Oh, where do you go? In the darkest hour, I wanna come.
Sorry, my granola oil is coming a little bit late. So at this point, I'm going to add my granola oil. So I keep on mixing. So this is our flour. Our cake has been well mixed. You can see it. So at this point, I'm going to transfer it to the baking pan. Hopefully it comes out well.
Oh, often you've had.
So you can see this is my mixed flour. So it's now going into the oven for 180 degrees. Then it will be baked for 45 minutes.
Every time you return, see it in your time. Realize there's
So
nowhere
put it to
to go.
180. Yeah. So this 250, this 200, and 180 is here.
Just waiting back.
So guys, our cake is rising, as you can see. My mommy is a wonderful baker.
Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, realize there's nowhere to go. There's the thing we're searching for.
So guys, it's 45 minutes already, and I'm going to take the cake out from the oven. As you can see, this is it. So I'm going to dip a knife for it to know that if it's well baked or not.
Oh, often you
see, shows that it's well baked. So I'm going at this part. I'm going to brush the top with honey, and I'll leave to cool. Wow, Abby can do that.
I just still have more to go.
The reason for rubbing the top with the brushing the top with the olive oil, the honey, is to make it look shiny and brownish, to make it look get that beautiful and golden, gorgeous color.
And you will get that taste.
Yeah, that is it. We are going to leave to get cold. We'll leave it to get cold before taking it out from the baking pan. Yeah. So we'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes when it's cold.
And we both know every time you come around, every time you read.
Our cake is cold, and as you can see the top, how beautiful it's looking, how brownish and shiny it's looking. You can touch. When you touch, you feel the softness of it. You see how soft it is. You know that, yeah, the cake is really. So we are going to take it out now from the pan. First, pass the knife this way so that you'll be able to get them out well. Yeah. So we'll turn it. Oh, I see. I'm taking the paper, the baking paper off. This is the back of it. And this is it. Oh, yeah. It looks so beautiful, so brownish, shiny, and well-baked vanilla cake. So, at this part, I'm going to show you how it looks like. And wow, you see that spongy cake? See how soft it is? See, you can feel it. You can feel the softness, how it is. So I'm going to call my other girl, Maureen, to come and have a test, and so she can tell us how it looks like, it tastes like. It tastes good, and it's really crunchy, and it's really good and yummy. And so, what do you tell the supporters? What do you tell the viewers? Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and like this video.
So guys, I'm going to try it now. That is the best cake I ever tried in the whole wide world, and it's very good. It's delicious and crunchy. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Okay.
So guys, that is a successful one. As you can see, the cakes comes out very well. Please, before I leave, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.